Good evening friends, I hope you are following the thermodynamic video lecture thoroughly. Today our goal is to learn about the entropy. What does that mean by entropy? Means entropy is a parameter of disorder of the system. So it tells that disorder of the system. That means if the more disorder of the system is there, that means more amount of entropy is there. That means if the greater disorder is there, greater disorder is indicating that greater in entropy, greater in entropy. So what is the mathematical formula for the entropy? Means entropy is denoted with so the entropy can be measured, only change in entropy can be possible to measure. So the change in entropy can be measured as the delta S. So the delta S is equal to delta Q divided by T. So delta Q means the heat absorbed by the system to its absolute temperature. So that is equal to heat absorbed by the system to its absolute temperature of the system. So that means it is called this formula is called as the another form of the second law of thermodynamic. We will come across in the higher studies, but as per our class we don't have that much. That is the how this related to the second law of thermodynamic. Now let me go to the what are the units for entropy. So units of entropy is equal to delta S is equal to delta Q divided by T is there. Q units is the joule, the T units are the Kelvin, that is equal to joule Kelvin inverse is the SI system. What are the dimensional formula? Dimensional formula is the dimensional formula for entropy. So Q dimensional formula is equal to it is the M energy ml square T power minus 2, temperature is the Kelvin, that is equal to ml square T power minus 2 Kelvin inverse. It is the dimensional formula for the entropy. Now we are having the one special approach. What is the entropy in the isothermal process? Entropy in isothermal process. So in isothermal process we already known the isothermal process means that the temperature is a constant, it is the constant that is equal to change in temperature is equal to 0. Then change in temperature is equal to 0, that implies change in internal energy of is equal to 0. As per the first law of thermodynamic, dq is equal to du plus dw, then dq is equal to 0 plus dw. Then dw also you already known, that is equal to pdv, that is equal to dq. So here is the p is there from the ideal gas equation. So the pv is equal to nRT formula is there, here p is there, then p is equal to nRT by v we will get. So just I am substituting this p value in this equation, that is equal to dq is equal to nRT divided by v into dv, nRT divided by v into dv. Now this equation once again I am writing again this one, that is equal to dq is equal to nRT divided by v into dv is there. Now I am differentiating this equation, I am dividing this equation with the temperature, absolute temperature. Here also I am dividing with this equation with the temperature T. Then this T and this T both are cancelled, the dq is equal to nRT into dv by v. So n is the number of moles of the gas, R is equal to ideal gas constant, these are the two R numbers. Then so dq by dt, dq by dt is nothing but it is the entropy, that is equal to ds. Then entropy ds is directly proportional to dy by v. This is the entropy value is directly proportional to dv by v in only in the isothermal process. This is for only for the isothermal process. That means the disorderness of the system in isothermal process. In isothermal process is directly proportional to the ratio of dV by V. So it is directly proportional to ratio of dV by V. This is about the entropy as per your syllabus. I hope you are enjoying these thermodynamic video lectures. If you are feeling that these lectures are useful for your academics, I am requesting you please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubts, means you can ask your doubts in the comment box. I will try to explain the doubts. Thank you for listening.